there, unlike in the first half where they got, what, 10 fast break points, I don't think they had any conversion in transition here in the third.
Yun yung quarter scoring natin, no? Ang taas nung second period. 10 points lang yung Davao in the first, 31 in the second. Pagdating nung third, sila pa rin may edge, plus 5, 19 to 14.
Well, dalawang bagay naman na nag-lead doon sa 29 and 31 points output nitong dalawang teams na to. Para sa San Juan, yung fast break nila, na whether you make or miss, we will run off of you. And then sa Davao, yung 3 points at saka yung shooting ni Salubre.
This one to tie the ball game up. Salubre has been
21.
marvelous with 20 points.
20 points, right?
3 of 4 shooting from the field. His previous high was 21 points.
Him and Escobedo, no? Will lead in charge for the Tigers.
21 points against Binyan. That was the one we covered, which went into double overtime at naipanalo ng Davao. Orlan Wamar, you know that he can explode at any given moment as he scores on a mid-range jumper.
Alam mo, napakahalaga ngayon sa mga basketball players ang matutong makapuntos going left. Kasi ang daming depensa ngayon, fino-force ka na going left. And then Orlan Wamar just shows us that footwork and poise on a jump shot, you work on it, that's what's gonna happen. A good shot going left.
64-62, Wamar gets to the gut of the defense. Great cut from the weak side by Nico Panganiban.
Best action we've seen so far from San Juan in quite a while. You know, a little screen action underneath and a weak side 45 cut by Marquez.
66-62. Parillagas joined by Joseph Terzo, Jancher Salubre, Noel Bonleon, and Raymart Escobedo. Terzo was shut down there. Kalisaan and Bonleon getting locked up. And that prevented a fast break opportunity for the Knights.
Yes, everybody was leaking out. See this beautiful recovery and that shot block. Ayun. Nakapiggyback pala si Bonleon kay Kalisaan.
Double foul, tinawag.
So this will stay with the Tigers.
Escocio will replace Noel Bonleon. So, ang bola ay sa San Juan because they had possession when the foul happened.
Okay, so they switched the possession araw na.
Hindi. Well, jump ball ba? I'm not sure. I think it wasn't a jump ball kasi
it was straight
nung
up.
nangyari nung foul in transition ni San Juan.
That's right.
Wamar, Kalisaan, Nico Panganiban, Dexter Marquez, and AC Soberano, the unit for the Knights. Foul whistled on the Tigers.
Alam na kagad ni Pari, problema yun. One pass away, Kalisaan, you're too attached. Obviously, that's going to be a backdoor. And Kalisaan tried to go, pero huli na yung depensa ni Kalisaan, kaya fumaul na lang si Pari.
2 minutes gone by in the fourth. Wamar turns the corner, can't hit it. Salubre puts it on the deck. Terzo, Escobedo, no good. Hasn't hit the free here in the second half. Panganiban, fouled by Joseph Terzo.
Second quarter runs now back para sa San Juan Knights. And the other shot that was missed, very makeable para sa Tigers. It was Escobedo who took that shot on that hockey pass coming from Perminga.
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. Tubong Rizal ito Si Nico Panganiban, medyo napangiti si Senator Jinggoy.
Kasi paso.
Oo. Kailangan ipasok niya itong pangalawa para okay na. 12 out of 27. Man. Really,
I love Sen Jinggoy's shirt. It's nice, right?
Animang lamang ng San Juan, 68-62. Escobedo. Got fouled by Orlan Wamar. Wamar, bit of a quiet outing so far. Already with 3 fouls. Just 5 points and 4 assists.
On a 2 of 9 shooting, very unlikely Orlan Wamar.
And has yet to get a 3-point shot to go in.
Kasi normally, perimeter-wise, he makes half of his shots. But right now, 2 of 9, with his shots mostly from perimeter, very uncharacteristic.
Salubre, pupukol sa 3. Kalisaan off the miss, grabs the rebound. Panganiban has been a factor here in the 4th, and that continues.
Yun yung gusto niyang gawin kanina. Little high rip of that Pinoy step na foul siya kanina, converted those 2 free throws, and right now makes it on a layup. 4 points quickly rather, para dito kay
Ooh! What a move! Escosio completes it! What a sequence for the Davao Occidental Tigers!
Man down on that move.
Play of the game brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
Wow, and that between the legs by Salubre caught everyone sliding and fed it off to Escosio. Ganda nun.
Nawala sa eksena si AC Soberano with that Houdini move by Raymart Escobedo.
An escape act para dito kay Salubre.
70-65, 5-point lead. Wamar drives right, forcing the issue. Draws contact, and he'll head to the line for 2 shots.
Again, Orlan Wamar, isang gwardiya na kayang-kayang i-absorb yung yung contact sa loob eh. Saka matindi niyan, hindi naapektuhan. He just continues to be poised.
So actually, just a baseline inbound. Fast break of the game brought to you by Extreme Cool Air Conditioners. Ang Extreme magpalamig, free installation for split-type air conditioners.
Kita mo yung pag-cross ng paan legs ng dalawa of that Pinoy step. Good finish by Nico.
Marquez popping out for free. Pocket!
When the ball is going downhill, somebody has to rise up. And that happens to be Mike Calisaan para dito sa San Juan Knights knocking down that 3. Rather, Dexter Marquez knocking down that 3.
Now they open up an 8-point advantage. Panganiban on both sides of the floor, wreaking havoc. Bounce pass, Marquez! Lays it up and in, plus a foul!
6 points already for Dexter Marquez. See that right here. That ball stolen by Panganiban and leaves it up for Marquez on that finish against Escosio.
Assist of the game brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet. 25 assists though for the Knights. Marquez completes the 3-point play. 7.6 rebounds. Nobody scoring in double figures so far for the San Juan Knights, yet they're up by 11. Salubre putting on the moves. Inside he goes. And 2 more points for Jansher Salubre, who now has 22 markers. Wamar from downtown. It's good. Big time shot for Orlan Wamar. 79-67. Escobedo, the shimmy, gets that one to trickle in. 79-69. Marquez, skip pass. Denison free, 4A free. Knocks that one down.
Another 3-point make for Ron Denison. He's 2 out of 4 from there. Every time that left corner 3.
Bakers doesn't lead now for the Knights. Jeff Comia has struggled and that continues. Denison lobs it up. Kalisaan, the up fake. Gets it off the glass and in. And just like that, San Juan has re-established a 15-point advantage. Look at this pass. Skip pass papunta kay Ron Denison para sa tres. And then, the following play, it was Ron Denison setting up Mike Calisaan inside. At kanina, dalawa na lang yung lamang. Lumumulit sa 15 puntos. 84-69, timeout. Davao Occidental. Have a good one here at the Inares Center in Montalban, Rizal. At kanina it was 62-60 na lang eh. Davao was knocking on the door on the San Juan Knights, but Nico Panganiban has been marvelous here for the Knights. Their next 3 games, August 16 Quezon, 22 Marikina, 29 Binyan ang kanilang mga kalaban.
Napakahalaga para dito sa Knights na ipagpatuloy itong streak na to. They're actually gunning for their 12th straight win. After that loss to Nueva Ecija, it's all been wins.
Plus 13 in this quarter ang San Juan.
Well, only because they went back to playing team ball, no? Faster, with a lot of pace, and a lot of intentional plays para dito sa San Juan Knights, and even the Stars have started to perform. Orlan Wamar once again trying to attack that defense, this time against Terso.
Both teams in penalty. Fourth foul whistled on Joseph Terso. Itong free throw na ito ay hatid sa atin ng Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kumpletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Wamar 6 in the first. Free throws, a major story. But mas okay naman na here in the fourth quarter itong San Juan. 10.6 assists for Orlan Wamar. This is now the biggest lead for the Knights at 17 points. Just like that. That's how good San Juan can flip the switch.
And without anyone, you know, significantly leading in scoring. Balance eh, no?
Yeah. Tagal bago meron naka-double figures.
That's right.
Para San Juan. Jancher Salubre with a career-high performance, 24 points. Coach Alex Angeles will not rest his laurels just yet. Up by a baker's dozen, 86-73. And we'll be back after the short break. Back with us here for this matchup of former champions San Juan and Davao Occidental. Jancher Salubre, only 25 years of age, almost matching his age with his output, 24 points. New career high para sa kanya, 10 of 18 shooting from the field, Coach Mike.
Yun ang impressive eh, yung 10 of 18 shooting, and he had a good run when he rarely had misses, ano? Especially here in the second half. Let alone yung mga spectacular plays niya, including that ankle breaker earlier.
Now he's tasked to guard Nico Panganiban. Wamar escapes the drop pass inside by Kiss. 2 more points.
Alam na kagad ni Orlan Wamar, parating si ano eh, si Wawi Escocio to help out, kaya iniwan na si Maikes.
Salubre, pasa kay Jeff Comia. Entry pass, Escocio. No basket. Foul whistle on Dexter Maikes.
Ganda ng timing ng pasa on that post-up. Late lang nakarating si Maikes. And Wawi Escocio quickly making a decision to make an attempt. Si Coach Alex Angeles and Coach Tantan Banal. Probably a couple of coaches na pwede pang maging Backstreet Boys, no? Anong boy band yung dating?
Mga boy next door look eh.
Oo nga eh. Parang mga Ken Pangilinan, gano'n. Mga
Ay,
boy next.
huwag tayong cooking. Hindi pwede yan.
Tsaka hobby pala niya, no?
Ayun.
Ken and hobby, yan. Pwede.
Pwede. Sabi nga nung isang courtside reporter natin, nung kamakailan lang, mga nagwagwapuhang panel daw.
Kayo yun, kayong dalawa.
Hindi ako yun.
Ah, hindi ka.
Hulaan mo na lang kung sino. Hindi tayong dalawa yun.
Ah, okay.
O, tatlo na lang pagpipilian mo.
Oo nga.
88-75, Orlan Wamar, skip pass, Ron Denison from the other side, drills in that free.
Solid rin ang mga 3-point makes ni Ron Denison, ha? Maganda ang gising.
Oo. Remember, this guy just came off a recovery from that ACL tear.
Yes.
Tagal-tagal din nawala. Inside, Marquez, 2 more points.
Sipag talaga mag-rim run ng mga big man ng San Juan, no? Down the middle.
And when you look at the remaining games, apart from that August schedule ng San Juan, sa September, no? Pampanga, Sarangani, Gensan, and Abra. And boy, that very last game against Abra could very much determine who will end up at number 1 in the North.
Yes. Oh, another one. This time he misses.
Sa panig naman ng Davao Occidental, Coach Mike, as we see Orlan Omar sneak in for the basket. It's gonna be tough because Imus won earlier and Davao, they're about to drop this game. They will fall behind in the team standings in the South. And we have a timeout, 1 minute and 38 left. San Juan in cruise control, up by 18. Head of Operations, Emerita. Head of Security, Rudy Distrito in attendance. And the seats have been filling out nicely here at the Inares Center in Montalban, Rizal, in anticipation for our main attraction later. Rizal Centro Mall Golden Coolers going up against the Ilagan Isabela Cowboys.
Gandang bakbakan yan mamaya.
And now, when we look at Davao's schedule, after this one, ang mga kalaban nila ay Basilan. That's also gonna be a crucial matchup. Then Quezon City, Val City. Then pagdating ng September, mabibigat, no? Batangas City, Cebu, Pampanga, Manila, and Abra.
Actually, feeling ko yung buwan ng September could really set up kung ano yung mga kalalabasan pagdating sa playoffs.
Oh yeah.
How it's gonna be set up because
For sure.
come October, November, we should be in the playoffs already.
Escocia draws a foul.
At doon mo na mararamdaman yung dapat na ipanalo natin yung mga ganitong games.
Oh, yeah.
Kung sana mas maganda yung standing natin and iba yung nakalaban natin. Because as much as possible, pagdating sa playoffs, you wanna avoid the really strong teams, no?
Well, to Davao's credit, they were able to defeat yung mga contenders, no, sa South like Binyan and Rizal, both which were extended to at least an overtime period. Pero on the flip side, natalo rin sila against Marikina by a point. Actually nanalo sila sa Marikina. That was the buzzer beater by Escobedo, if you remember, in Pampanga.
Yes.
Talo sila sa Sarangani. Although, dahil nga tinalo nila yung Imus by 23 points, that gives them some cushion in terms of having the better point differential pag nagkatabla-tabla sa team standings.
At saka sayang yung game nila against Caloocan where they lost by about 3 points yata yun eh. That could have been something that would have added up in the win column for them.
Jeff Comia nakaagaw dito, but a rare off night, no? Para dito kay Jeff Comia. Foul whistled on San Juan. It's a challenge man nila ito. Pwede pa.
Pero tama ka dun, si Jeff Comia, 2 out of 11 from the field, which is pretty low. Meaning, he's getting his attempts, but he's not making them. No?
Yeah.
That's the thing.
Galing yan sa 20 points, 9 rebounds na performance eh. In their last game against Ilagan Isabela. We have a coach's challenge. Babalikan natin yung resulta yan.
Successful. There is no foul. Ball possession stays with Davao.
Successful challenge from the San Juan Knights. So, walang foul. Pero, bola pa rin ng Davao Occidental.
Kaya bolang-bola nga talaga yung pagkakatapik na yan ni Jackson.
When you look at the history of these two teams, both of them actually have not missed the playoffs. Davao in their back-to-back seasons, in season 2 and 3, they are the only MPBL team to clinch the best division record in back-to-back seasons. Because if you remember, yung Pampanga, kahit back-to-back champions, hindi sila yung number 1 in the North last season. It was San Juan.
Right.
San Juan, on the flip side, at least division final sila lagi in 5 seasons. Season 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's either the North Division Finals, nagtatapos yung season nila, or the National Finals back in season 2 and 3. And obviously a lot of history between these two squads, but in the end, San Juan again prevailing over Davao Occidental here, Coach Mike.
Yan, ganda ng pagkakabalik pagdating dito sa fourth quarter. The complete turnaround, scoring 33 points against the 19 only para dito sa Davao Tigers. Productions have slowed down for Escobedo. Nagpatuloy naman ng bahagya itong production ni Salubre sa fourth quarter, pero mas maganda ang naging team play ng San Juan when they enter the fourth.
And San Juan remains in the hunt for that number 1 spot in the North. Best player of the game brought to you by 1xBet, the title sponsor of the MPBL. Your choice, your victory. Feel more game with 1xBet.
And Orlan Wamar has produced very well, consistently, especially in the closing quarter. Came off the bench, played 23 minutes, 12 points on a 4 of 11 shooting. And coming up with 8 assists, almost a double-double para dito kay Orlan Wamar to go with his 3 rebounds.
Struggled in the first quarter, only 2 points, but had 8 in the second half to pilot San Juan to their 21st victory